The Kingdom of Tonga is blessed with rich oceans, vibrant coral reefs, and a cultural heritage deeply connected to the sea. For generations, these natural resources have sustained our people and shaped our identity. Today, climate change and growing environmental pressures remind us that protecting our marine environment begins with empowering the communities who depend on it. In 1954, inspired by the vision of Her Majesty Queen Saalote Tupow III, Langafonua Fafine Tonga was established to create opportunities for women to preserve traditional skills, support their families, and strengthen their communities. More than 70 years later, that vision continues to inspire women across Tonga through leadership, culture, and enterprise. With the support from the United Nations Development Programme and the Tonga Reach to Wreath Programme, Langafonua is implementing the Women's Sustainable Livelihoods Strengthening for Marine Conservation project. More than 100 women from Tongatapu and Vava'u will receive training in entrepreneurship, financial management, product development, marketing, and environmentally responsible production by strengthening traditional handicrafts and sustainable business practices. Women can improve household incomes while helping protect Tonga's precious marine ecosystems. The project also builds partnership across communities and the Pacific. Knowledge exchange with women entrepreneurs in Fiji, community awareness activities, and ongoing mentoring will encourage sustainable harvesting, environmental stewardship, and stronger local businesses. A women's business best practice package will provide practical resource that can continue supporting participants well beyond the project. The project will conclude with a national exhibition celebrating the creativity, resilience, and achievements of the participating women. It is a reflection of Queen Saalote's enduring vision where culture, opportunity, and environmental stewardship come together. By combining traditional knowledge with sustainable enterprise, Tongan women are helping to protect our oceans while creating stronger futures for their families and communities. Together, we celebrate our culture, strengthen our communities, protect our oceans, and build a more sustainable Tonga.